Once upon a time, there was a man named Imran, who was sitting in his car, waiting for the rain to stop, so he could leave. Outside, there was heavy rain, thunder, and windy weather. The street was surrounded by a forest. Imran had a torch in his hand when, suddenly, a man named Jahan appeared, holding an umbrella. He told Imran, "Come with me to the village where I live. We have no idea when the rain will stop, and if you stay in the car, you might catch a fever." Imran decided to go. He carried his torch and walked with Jahan toward the village. When they arrived, he saw many lights. A group of people gathered around a bonfire, dancing, while others sat, enjoying the dance, eating snacks, and chatting with each other. Children were playing, and one insisted his mother let him join, but since he was only 3 years old, she refused. A group of elderly men and women sat near a street lamp, laughing, talking, and enjoying snacks. Imran was shocked. It was 10 p.m., and the villagers were so lively. He asked Jahan if there was a special occasion. Jahan replied, "No, in our village, we enjoy every night after a day's work. It gives us energy for the next day." Jahan took Imran's right arm and led him to the bonfire. He gave Imran a chair next to it. Imran placed his torch on the empty chair. Jahan introduced his friend Abdullah, and they all sat down. Jahan handed Imran fresh juice and snacks. Imran thanked him, but Imran didn't notice the time, engrossed in the dance around the bonfire. At 12:30 a.m., he realized the weather had cleared. "Now I should leave," he said. "I'm going home since the weather is fine." Jahan replied, "Okay. Goodbye, and take this umbrella in case." However, Imran forgot his torch on the chair near the bonfire. When he reached his car, he realized his mistake and thought he might need the torch in case his car got stuck in the rain. He placed the umbrella in the car and returned to Jahan's village. No fire, nothing. The only thing left was his torch on the ground. He started shivering, panicked, and ran as fast as he could, not even picking up the torch. Back at his car, he was shocked to find the umbrella was missing. Terrified, he drove home as fast as he could. When he reached his room, he was stunned to find his torch on the sofa. His face turned pale with fear and confusion.